Today I'm making tomato dal, also known as Andhra-style pappu. This is a comforting lentil dish from South India, especially popular in the state of Andhra Pradesh. I'm starting with half a cup of toor dal. I will wash and add it to a pressure cooker. I'm adding 1.5 cups of water. That's 1 to 3 dal to water ratio. Along with the dal, I'm adding 1 small onion, 3 roughly chopped tomatoes, 2 to 3 green chilies. You can skip this if you don't like it spicy. A few curry leaves, 3 to 4 crushed garlic, quarter teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder or paprika, salt, half teaspoon cumin seeds. I will give it a stir and add little oil. Close lid and pressure cook this for 3 whistles. I'm using a pressure cooker to save time, but you can also make this in an instant pot or even on the stove top. Let me know in the comments if you want a separate video for the pot method. Once the cooker cools down, open the lid and whisk the dal for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and creamy. Keep this aside. Now let's make a simple tadka. In a pan, heat some ghee or oil. Once the ghee is hot, add mustard seeds. Once it starts to splatter, add cumin seeds. Some crushed garlic, curry leaves, dried red chili, and a pinch of hing. The aroma from hing takes this dal to the next level. Pour this tadka over the dal. At this point, you can adjust the consistency. I like my dal a little flowy, so I am adding about half a cup of water and I will give it a boil. I will check seasoning at this point and adjust salt. Garnish with fresh coriander and the dal is ready. This tomato dal is simple, comforting and perfect for everyday meals. It's filling, naturally vegan and tastes amazing with hot rice. Do give it a try and let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching.